Good day and welcome to Onitshaness documentary, where we bring updates on significant historical events. My name is Mary Jane. Today, we highlight one of the most significant cultural celebration of the Onitsha Ado Kingdom, the Iwa Ji Festival, also known as the New Yam Festival, celebrated from late September into October in Onitsha Ado, Nidu. The festival marks the beginning and end of the farming season, symbolizing prosperity, renewal, and gratitude for a bountiful harvest. The ceremony is led by the Igwe of Onitsha, who performs the symbolic significant lead through Ite Omato, a tradition that reaffirms unity, heritage, and pride within the community. The festival also features masquerades, flogging challenge, traditional dances, music, and vibrant display of culture, bringing together the entire community, young and old, in joyous celebration. Iwaji is not about the Yam Festival. It is a cornerstone of Onitsha's ceremonial cycle, showcasing the enduring spirit and rich heritage of the people. This is Onitshaness documentary. Stay tuned for more updates.